Bisha. Let's invite them sa mga papasok pa lang. Invite them. Hello kids, para naman sa mga. Para naman sa mga. Very good. Hi! Okay, dito naman tayo sa natin. Hello kids!
Ayan o.
Dapat sila is ready for the sports games. Kaya naman sa mga natin dyan.
Sir.
Saya tayo ngayong araw. Okay, ano natin sa mga dyan? Let's go! Mommies and daddies, without further police, let's encourage our kids po to come and join us. Alright kids, let's go! Jump, jump, jump! Alright, your hands there, jump, jump, jump! Very good. Okay, let's have another chance. Let's give them another chance. So the kids on the bubble area, Toy Story area, and Johnny Kitty area. Hello kids, we are inviting you both to come and join us. Sali tayo, huwag na tumay ako niya. Let's grab this opportunity to dance with Johnny Chan. Okay? Okay, since clear naman ang ating event here, sali natin. Ayan, very nice. Hi kids! Okay. Nag-enjoy pa kayo dito sa kids na? Kita-kita sa kids natin. Okay. Before we start, pahingi naman kami ng isang malakas na palakpakan. Very good. Okay. Huwag na natin patagalin pa. Papakilala na kami. Let me introduce ourselves. My name is Kuya Ed and I will be your host for today. Kasama ko si Ate Loika, Ate and Ate Mars. Hi! And of course, let's introduce our star of Juna all the way from Japan, Lala Chan! Okay, excited yung kids natin, Lala Chan. Ano yung Lala Chan? May tanong si Lala Chan. Kids, sino daw po ang mahilig mag-dance? Raise your hands. Lahat sila Lala Chan. Kaya naman kids, let's watch Lala Chan. Tuturuan niya tayo ng ating first step ng warm-up dance. First step namin Lala Chan. Clap your hands na po sabi ni Lala Chan. Kids, clap your hands up, up, and down, and down. Very good. Next natin Lala Chan. Ano yan? Stomp your feet. Right, left, right, and left. Patingin nga kami ni Lala Chan. Stomp your feet, arms on your hips. Stomp your feet. Okay, are you ready? Oh, let's go, let's dance. We're ready. Clap your hands. Let's go. Sway. Everybody. Sway, you ready? Clap, clap. Clap your hands. Clap. Stomp.
Stomp, stomp your feet.
Stomp.
Swing, swing, swing your arms.
Swing your arm.
Swing your arms. Dance
Okay, dance, everybody, dance.
with me. Dance with me. Sing
Okay, swing.
la la la. Swing your feet.
Get ready to say hooray. Hooray! Very nice. Okay, sit down tayo lahat. Clap your hands naman dyan kids before you sit down. And sit down tayo. Okay, sit down naman kids. Now, let's take a breath muna everybody. Inhale muna tayo. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Very good. This afternoon, we will have a sports game. Sino may alam? Sino may idea? Wala. Okay. Our game for today is called Tug of War. Okay. So in this game, we have two teams. Team A, Ate Laika, and Team B, Ate Mars. Ano pangalan niya, Ate? Laika. Team A, si Ate Laika. Anong team? A. Ano pangalan niya, Ate? March. Ate March. Ang team ni Ate ay Team B. Okay. So, we have something here. Ano po ito? Flag. Ano po yun ang flag? Great. So dito kayo lagi titingin bago tayo maglalaro. Kapag nakatas ang flag, wala muna kahawak sa rope. Pas ang kamay. Patingin nga po si Kuya. Raise your hands. Very good. Okay. So, para malaman nyo kung paano lalaroin, i-demo muna sa atin yung ating like and ating march. So ngayon, wala muna tatayo. Okay ba yun, kids? Pa-raise your hands natin. Shake your hands. Okay. So, magbibilang si Kuya ng tatlo. And then, pagkatapos ko magbilang in 3, 2, 1, pull the rope as hard as you can. And after 15 seconds, kung kanina po matatatangkad natin is, siya ay magkakaroon na 1 point. Okay, so kailangan niyo makakuha ng 2 points para manalo tayo. Okay, sino bang gusto manalo? Lahat siya. Pero ano yung lahat siya? Kids, may sinabi pa sa akin si lahat siya. Sino gusto mag-enter sa game? Of course, lahat. Ba't kailangan natin sundin ang kanyang safety reminder? Are you ready to listen? Okay, so first, safety natin lahat siya. Kids, ano yung ginagawa ni lahat siya, kids? No? No jumping. Very good. And next natin lahat siya. Look at lahat siya, ano eh? No pushing. Very good naman ang kids natin lahat siya. And next natin lahat siya. Ano ihilahin natin? Ano ito, pull? Pull the rope carefully and hold the rope firmly. Kids, ihilahin nyo na maayos. Hawakan nyo na maayos yung rope natin. Okay, and of course, last and the most important, lahat siya. Enjoy the rest of the game. Sit down tayo. Ay, stand up tayo, kids. Nakasit down ang mga kids natin. Okay, now let's group you into 2 teams. Okay, 2, 4, 6. Now, kids, group yourselves into 6 members only. That's it, next now. In 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Once again, all the kids, we are inviting you to, if you want to join, you are welcome to join. Just come here at the event area. Okay, very good naman ang Team B. Malapit na rin ang Team A. Okay, lapitan natin lalagyan si si Team A. Hi, Team A! Hi! Ano nga team kayo? So, meron sabi si lalagyan, meron tayo i-cheer. Ano yung i-cheer natin? Gatalay ka? Come on, kids, kaya natin sa gatalay ka. Come on! Go! Team A! Medyo nahihiya. Pagkalamayan tayo natin yung mamaya. Very good. Okay, how about the Team B? Very good. I like the energy. Okay. So once again, don't forget our safety reminders. Kids, huwag kalilimutan. No pushing, walang malulunod, no jumping, walang tatalo. And of course, sana mag-enjoy at dapat talagang mag-enjoy tayo. Okay, let's go kids and air trigger. Go Team A! Go Team B! Let's go, let's go! Everybody, ready? Ready mo kayo mag-bilis ang cheer your kids? Come on, Team A! Let me hear you cheers, Team A! Go Team A! Go Team A! Okay, once you're here, maintain your line. Stay on your line, kids. And get ready. Once again, mommies and daddies, please come here po para po i-cheer natin ang ating mga kids para mas ganahan po sila maglaro ng ating sports games. Team A, raise your hands muna na raise ang flag ni Kuya. Ayan, raise your hands. And dito ikaw, ate baby girl. Raise your hands muna, raise your hands. Team A, are you ready? How about you, Team B? Are you ready? Lalachan, are you ready? Okay, ready, si Lalachan. Kaya mga kids, hold your rope, hold the rope. In 3, 2, 1, go! You're doing great. Okay, pero mga ng Rosie Kuya, balik tayo sa lines natin. Balik tayo sa lines. Raise your hands muna, raise your hands. Team B, are you ready? This time it's your chance to get the point. Team A, are you ready to win? Let's go everyone, on the road. In 3, 2, 1, go! 15, 14, 13, go! 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Congratulations, Team B! Bumawal talaga ang Team B natin lahat dyan. Okay? Kita muna sa rock kids. Pera muna sa rock kami ni Kuya. Okay, pera muna kami. Hands up muna tayo, hands up muna tayo. Let's have a last round, kids. Team A, are you ready to win? Alright, how about you, Team B? Are you ready? Remember, this is our last round. Get ready. Let's go, let's go, everyone. Hold the rope. In 3, 2, 1, go! 15, 13, 14, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, how did we go? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, congratulations to you. It's okay, Team B. Let's go, let's celebrate natin ang Team B natin. Let's go, let's go. Happy birthday to Team B. Ang gagaling nyo naman nila. Okay lang. Lahat naman kayo dito sa Kitsuna is winner. Kaya lang na, let's do the 5 clubs, 3 clubs, kids. Come on. Let's give them a 5 clubs. Come on. Okay, let's give the Team A their 5 clubs and a very good. Everyone ready? In 3, 2, 1, go! Very good. Very good naman talaga ang kids natin, okay? Alright, Team A, guys, congratulations naman. Now let's give the Team B their 3 clubs and a good shot, okay? They deserve naman din. Okay, everyone ready? In 3, 2, 1, go! Good job! Back to your lines, kids. Let's go back to your event area. Back to your lines, kids. Afterward, do not push your teammates. And of course, good job. Let's go! Go, go, kids. Now, focus on the line. Once again, kids, cheer teammates. Go, Team A! Go, Team B! Okay, tinatawag na tayo ilalat siya. Tayo hand kids. Everybody stand up, stand up! Lagyan ko yung ilalat siya. Sorry naman lalat siya. Okay, sabi ni lalat siya. Nag-enjoy na po ba kayo? Okay, raise your hands nga. Pakita natin ang enjoyment pag sa pamagitan ng pag-jump. Okay, are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, everybody jump! 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 Ayan. Ganado tayo ng kids natin. Pero sabi ni Lalat siya, meron siyang surprise sa atin. Sino gusto ng surprise? Ayan, lahat naman gusto. Kaya naman i-grant natin ang request ni Lalat siya na kanyang one last dance ang kanyang favorite dance. Are you ready to dance again, kids? Ready na talaga ate like Albert. Ready. Get ready, kids? Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Shake your hands. Hands up again. Hands up. Get ready to jump, everybody. Go ahead, jump. One. Let's. Put your hands. Four. Put your hands. Jump and jump. One. Go. How about this? Let's play off. Sides. Right side. 1, Okay, sit down tayo everyone.
Okay, good job!
Very good naman talaga. Ang galing mag-dance ng kids natin. Okay, hinga muna tayo kids. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Alright. Who's excited? Raise your hands. Lahat sila lalatsa. Lalatsa, may papagawa ko ba sa kanila lalatsa? Kids, tingnan natin si lalatsa. Nasabi ni lalatsa. Cover your eyes with your hands. Come on kids, cover your eyes. And we will shut the magic word now. Open! Parinig na si Kuya Rex ang malakas na open? I like that. Okay, dapat ganyan kalakas mamaya. Okay, get ready. Everyone, cover your eyes. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, nangalahating energy natin. Isa pa, cover your eyes. In 3, 2, 1. Cover your eyes. Get your music, come on. Hello, mommies and daddies. Now's the time to have your camera and proceed on the front. Let's have a group picture with the lalatsa. Once again, mommies and daddies, you can proceed go on the front to take pictures of your kids here at the area with lalatsa. Now kids, sit down tayo lahat. Sit down. Ayan. Sit down tayo kids. Let's have a group picture with lalatsa muna. Sit down muna tayo. Sit down. Come on natin. Let's have a group picture with lalatsa. Okay, kids. Now we will do the Kitsuna hooray when Kuya said Kitsuna. Everyone shout hooray! Parinig na si Kuya Risa. In 3. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, Kitsuna! Okay, pwede na. Pero mas maganda, mas malakas. Okay, everyone, raise your balloons. In 3, 2, 1, Kitsuna! Let's do it one more time for the last round. In 3, 2, 1, Kitsuna! Very good naman ang kids natin. Come on, here, lalatsa. Wala mo nang alis. May sasabihin pa po si lalatsa. Ano yung lalatsa? Nag-enjoy na po ba kayo, kids? And sino daw po ang may birthday? Sabi ni lalatsa. Ay, meron tayong birthday celebrants. Come on here, ate. What's your name? Chloe. How old are you, ate Chloe? Ay, meron tayo isa. Dito ka, ate. Tabi kayo nilalat siya. Okay, si Ate Chloe, how about you, ate? 10? Okay, we have 2 birthday celebrants here. Now we're going to sing them a happy birthday song. Is that okay? Of course. Okay, while singing kids, you raise your balloons, ha? And wave your balloons. We're ready. Get ready to sing, everyone. Wave your balloons, kids. Wave your balloons. Let's go, lalatsa. Alright, let's go. Wave your balloons. Happy birthday to you. Come on, kids, sing. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy
Birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Let's do it one more time.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
Okay.
you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Clap your hands naman. Yeah, very good. Okay, what are you going to say?
Thank you.
Okay, how about you, ate? Thank you so much. You're welcome then. And happy birthday. Back to your seats na muna. Okay, ano pa yung lalatsa? Ayun, muntik ano ni Kuya. How about the birthday party here at Kitsuna? Raise your hands. Ayan lahat sila. Kaya naman, mommies and daddies, good afternoon. Kidzuna SMC that is now open for a birthday party reservations. If you are interested, please do inquire in our counter area and our friendly staffs, and they're happy to assist you. Thank you so much. Okay, ano po yung light charge? Ayan, sino ulit nag-enjoy? Raise your hands! Lahat na. Okay, nag-enjoy din daw sila lahat siya. But now it's time to say goodbye because she's now going back to Japan to celebrate a birthday party of her friends. Alright? In 3, 2, 1, let's all say our goodbyes. 3, 2, 1, bye, Lalachen! Thank you so much, kids! I hope you enjoy your stay here at Kidzuna and playing with Lala Chan. Mommies and daddies, thank you so much for allowing us to have fun with your kids. You can enjoy the rest of your time here at Kidzuna. Bye! And solo picture na lang po is dito na lang po tayo sa gitna na dyan. Thank you so much!